tram and bus stop at Beamish. Here is Northern Bus Red. There's Wheeldale 1. There. 196 just arrived. Here comes number 16. And the wheelchair bus 716. So you've got the bus shed here, lads. Can eat 3 new buses in here. And number 4, Darlow Borough Council up there. Then 2 at the back. Sundrum Corporation 48 there. Darlington Borough Council 7. And another Beamish wheelchair bus 2007. Then there's another one up here. Busways, stagecoach delivery, some sort of thing like that. Probably see it, I don't know. But it is around there. Then Weedale Motor Services bus, Launder here. So yeah. So you've got trolley bus from Middlesbrough. Rotherham 220 is tram 31. Lisburn 730. Hopefully that one comes out soon. I want to ride it. Then coming up to Gateshead number 10 in the back. Almost got repainted. Oh, but it's probably been repainted already. Just needs to get its service done. Then we've got a, I'd say, works tram sort of thing. But yeah.